Hey guys, welcome back to A-World. Today we are going to be playing Minecraft, and I'm probably going to make this a series. This is going to be the first episode, and I'll be pretty much going into Minecraft Survival, and pretty much just playing. So this is a random seed and everything, so let's get started. Of course, every single time you start a new Minecraft world, you gotta punch some logs, get the wood. You know how it works. Let's just do the basics. Oops. Of course, gotta make a wood pickaxe, all this stuff. You know how it works. But we need to find sheep, because no one wants to fight monsters on the first day, or first night, I guess, of Minecraft. So I just need a little bit of wool so I can make a bed. Let's see. Why are there so many cows but no sheep? I mean, I guess there's not so many, but I think this is a flower biome. I mean, I'm pretty sure. Look at all that. Look at all those flowers. Come on, chicken. Can you? Hey, sir. Can you point me in the direction of sheep, please? Okay. Sheep. Alright, let's get it. It's 2. We need 3. Thank you, Mr. Sheep. I'm sorry if, yes, there's another sheep. I'm sorry if I'm, boring you a little bit on my hunt for sheep. But this is important, and this is always what you should do at the start of Minecraft. Ooh, here's a cave. Okay. I'm gonna make myself a sword and a pickaxe. Well, stone sword and pickaxe. Oh, it's... What a waste of a cave. I mean, free cobble. But that's easy to get, like... Who am I kidding? That's not even a good thing to get. Alright. Let's just make a sword. Make a pickaxe. And kill some cows. And also, I'm just using my wooden pickaxe to kill them because I want to get rid of it. So yeah. Okay. There's a lot of grassland around here, so yeah, I might build a base. I don't know why I am obsessed with punching grass, but I am, so why you bully me? Let's just get that stuff out of the inventory. I think this is where I'll set up camp. Yeah, I don't even start. I haven't been at the beginning of Minecraft in forever. So I want to build like a house sort of. This is annoying. So I'm gonna build a house, yeah, right here. And yeah, this is where I'm gonna do it. I don't even know how to start. Just for now, I'll probably make it out of. Oh God, what am I doing? I'm just gonna make a little shack, sort of. I'll probably expand it eventually, but I need more wood. I need to make more cobblestone. Gee, I should have gotten more. Is this a cave? Oh, come on. Why does every cave I find stop right here? I mean, I'm up for some iron. 1 iron. Sort of scared me. The sound of it breaking caught me off guard. Let's just do some of this, and then we do some of this, and then we don't cook up our food because we don't have anything. I mean, I think you can do it with sticks, but I don't want to waste them.
How come you don't like this area?
Oh gosh, I just fell into a hole.
I'm sure if I put it in
Okay, let's just get out of here somehow. Can I just jump? This is annoying. Yay! Just gonna get some wood. Still don't know what I'm gonna do about the food issue, but we'll figure something out. It's getting to be nighttime, but that's not a problem. Not a problem, because I've already got 3 sheep. Oops. Still have 1 food bar left. So I can, 4 food bars left. But if I lose 1 more, I won't be able to sprint. For all you non-Minecrafters out there. There's a lot of sheep here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all going to die to me. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Chill. I don't want to use my precious wood, but it has come to that. Yeah, I'm also going to make a door. First, I'm going to make a bed, because bed is more important than door. I hate how it gives you 3 doors. Home sweet home. Alright. Let's get it. Some raw mutton. I need to find coal. Because, oh, that might be a cave over there. Ooh, flag. Ooh, it's a cave under me. Cave with a skelly. That's not an entrance to a cave. That's not an entrance to a cave. That's not an entrance to a cave. I think I hear a skeleton. Okay. I don't like digging down. Yes. Oh gosh. I don't have a... Wait a minute. Oh, there's an entrance right there. Yeah, I don't have any torches. There's my coal. And there's my torches. I don't really want to be down here. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to the light, because light is good. Non-light is bad. Nice. I'll leave that coal for some time else. I probably shouldn't use my cobblestone because I kind of need cobblestone. That's why I'm getting some more. Okay. Okay, so the cave right there. I'm gonna mark that. Actually, wait, I've already... There's no point in marking it because... Well, because there's... I already went through there. Got my respawn point. Got my house, got my sugarcane. I think this has been a successful first part. Yeah. So, just gonna put this all here. Yep, so I'm looking on my bed. But, yep, this is gonna be,